Mastering long answers in academic English conversations. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of English academic discussions. One crucial part of participating in these discussions is to provide long answers. They're essential to convey your point of view in detail, clarify complex ideas, or argue for a particular standpoint. Let's get started. Long answers in academic discussions are detailed responses to questions or topics. These answers are well thought out, carefully structured, and filled with precise, academic language. Unlike short answers, which might be a single sentence or even a single word, long answers are usually several sentences or even several paragraphs long. They demonstrate a deep understanding of the topic and contribute to the overall dialogue. When participating in academic discussions, using the right vocabulary is key. Academic vocabulary is more formal and complex than the language we use in casual conversation. It often includes subject-specific jargon, nuanced words, and phrases. Remember, your choice of words reflects your knowledge about the topic and your ability to communicate complex ideas clearly. So, take time to learn and practice the appropriate vocabulary for your field of study or discussion topic. Structuring your long answer properly is crucial. Start with a clear, concise summary statement. This sets the tone for the rest of your answer and gives listeners an idea of what's to come. Next, present your main points, making sure to back each point up with evidence or examples. Lastly, close with a summary or a brief conclusion to tie everything together. Remember, a well-structured answer makes your response clear, engaging, and convincing. Practice makes perfect. Engage in academic discussions, either in your study group or online forums. Practice long responses to different types of questions. It's important to get comfortable with explaining, clarifying, and arguing points in depth. You could also try recording your answers and playing them back to identify areas for improvement. It's important to maintain a level of politeness and formality in academic discussions. Always respect the opinions of others, even when you disagree. Use polite disagreement phrases like, "I see your point, but I think," or, "That's an interesting perspective, however." Remember, the goal is to discuss and learn, not to win an argument. There you have it. Long answers in academic discussions are a fantastic way to express detailed thoughts and contribute to deeper, more meaningful conversations. Remember to use appropriate vocabulary, structure your responses well, and always practice. Keep it polite, keep it formal, and keep learning. Until next time, happy studying.